Hi, Leann Forst here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an essential oil roller bottle blend for appetite and metabolism. It's something that I hear about all the time, especially with my weight loss clients, that they just can't, they have cravings and they can't get the cravings to go away. And so everyone's interested in increasing their metabolism to maintain an optimal weight. And we know that maintaining an optimal weight is really important to keep ourselves healthy and to prevent further issues, chronic illnesses, diabetes, cancer, everything, all major diseases are related to maintaining an optimal weight. So it's always important to opt for natural remedies instead of over-the-counter medications or prescriptions first, right? Because natural remedies are typically safer, cheaper, and more effective, right? So I'm going to use the doTERRA's Slim and Sassy blend, essential oil blend, and making my own roller bottle. I'm going to put 10 drops in the roller bottle, and this is a 5 milliliter one, but you can get a 10 milliliter one and you can double the amount. And then I'm going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil, and then basically you pop on the top and you're going to roll this all over your stomach 2 to 3 times a day. And that's going to help you with appetite and metabolism. The Slim and Sassy blend in itself is great. You could also put it in your water. I like to drink it. If it doesn't taste bad, it tastes, it's kind of citrusy. And it has all the essential oil blends in it, all the essential oils in it blended to make one nice blend together. It's got like grapefruit, cinnamon, black pepper. So a lot of times people get Slim and Sassy and they don't know what to do with it. So that's what you do with it. You make your own roller bottle and rub it all over your stomach 2 to 3 times a day for appetite and metabolism.